Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the remarkable world of the cell, the fundamental building block of life. If you've ever wondered how our bodies function down to the microscopic level, this video is for you. Think of the cell as a bustling microfactory, constantly working to keep you alive and well. Even though the human body has over 200 different cell types, each one operates like a specialized department in this incredible factory, making sure everything runs smoothly. Every factory needs a sturdy wall to protect its operations, and for our cellular factory, that's the cell membrane. This membrane isn't just a static wall, it's a dynamic, double-layered structure made of phospholipid molecules that acts like a security system. Each phospholipid has a hydrophilic head that loves water and hydrophobic tails that repel water. These molecules arrange themselves into a bilayer with the heads facing outwards and the tails tucked inside. This clever arrangement keeps the cell's environment stable while allowing selective entry and exit of materials. You can think of this as the factory's security team, deciding who or what gets in and out. Now, every factory needs a strong internal framework to keep everything in place, and our cell has the cytoskeleton for that. But unlike the rigid steel beams in a building, the cytoskeleton is dynamic and flexible. It's made up of microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules, which serve multiple roles. These filaments act like conveyor belts, moving materials around the cell, and even allow the entire factory to change shape when needed. It's what enables processes like cell division, muscle contraction, and cellular movement. Imagine a conveyor belt that not only transports, but also rearranges itself as needed. That's the cytoskeleton for you. At the heart of our microfactory is the nucleus, which functions as the central control room. This is where the master blueprint of the entire factory is stored, in the form of DNA. Imagine rows and rows of blueprints detailing every possible machine or product the factory can create. These blueprints are organized into sections called genes, and each gene carries instructions for building a specific protein. But here's the catch. The DNA is far too large to leave the control room. Instead, a messenger known as mRNA makes a copy of the instructions and carries it out into the cell, ensuring that the right proteins get made when needed. It's like a foreman sending out work orders to different parts of the factory. Next, we have the ribosomes, which are the cell's version of high-tech 3D printers. When the mRNA blueprint reaches these ribosomes, they get to work, translating the code into strings of amino acids that fold into functional proteins. Ribosomes are either floating freely in the cell's cytosol or attached to a nearby structure called the endoplasmic reticulum, which we'll get to next. Just like how 3D printers can create all sorts of objects based on a digital model, ribosomes can build any protein the cell needs by reading the mRNA instructions. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is like the assembly line of our factory. It comes in two forms, rough ER and smooth ER. The rough ER is covered in ribosomes, making it look bumpy, and it specializes in assembling proteins that need to be sent to other parts of the cell. Meanwhile, the smooth ER doesn't have ribosomes and focuses on making lipids, like the fats and oils used in various cell functions. The smooth ER also plays a crucial role in detoxifying harmful substances, making it a bit like the factory's recycling center. Once the products are assembled, they need to be packaged and sent to the right destinations. That's where the Golgi apparatus comes in, the cell's very own packaging and shipping department. Here, proteins and lipids are modified, sorted, and packaged into vesicles, which are like delivery trucks that transport them to where they need to go. Whether it's delivering to another part of the cell or sending them out into the body, the Golgi ensures everything gets to the right place. No factory can operate without power, and for the cell, that power comes from the mitochondria. These tiny power plants take glucose and oxygen to produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. It's through a process called aerobic respiration that the mitochondria generate up to 32 molecules of ATP for every molecule of glucose. Without the mitochondria working efficiently, the cell would run out of energy and the entire factory would grind to a halt. Every factory produces waste, and the cell is no exception. Lysosomes and peroxisomes handle this waste management. Lysosomes contain enzymes that break down damaged organelles or unwanted molecules, while peroxisomes handle toxic substances, breaking down long-chain fatty acids and converting harmful hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Together, they keep the cell running clean and efficient. Alright, let's quickly recap. Our cell operates like a highly organized microfactory. The cell membrane is the protective wall, controlling what enters and exits. The cytoskeleton acts as the framework and conveyor system. The nucleus serves as the control room, housing the blueprints. The ribosomes are 3D printers building proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum functions as the assembly line, the Golgi apparatus handles packaging and shipping, the mitochondria power the whole operation, and the lysosomes and peroxisomes manage waste and recycling. Each of these components plays a crucial role in keeping this microfactory, and ultimately, your body running smoothly. And there you have it, a detailed look at the cell, nature's incredible microfactory. If you found this video helpful and want to explore more topics with engaging visuals, be sure to check out King of the Curve. Our platform offers a wealth of resources to help you master complex concepts and ace your studies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing content. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the cell, and I'll see you in the next video.